Okay, alright, so we're getting near the end here. I did want to show you guys quickly how to create a collection. So if you head over to products and collections, and you can create a collection. For example, this one might be rings, right? And you can either include collections in an automated way, but I think for the point of simplicity, we'll check the manual method for now. And from here, you can search for a product that you might want to include in that. There we go. I'll put the ring there, and that collection is now going to be available in our store. Now, how are we going to let people browse this? All right, so they have the catalog section over here, which currently links to just all of the products in the store. Remember when we set that up in the theme and we set the catalog just to go to all products? Well, you may or may not, but let me show you again really quickly here. So we have the where are we? Sorry, the navigation. Go to where am I? Online store. There we go. Navigation, and the main menu controls the upper menu up here, and our catalog right here is what we can edit to say something else. It could be like shop, collections, bestsellers, whatever. Right now it's set to link to all products, but you can choose to link it to, say, the rings collection, right? So you could do something like that, right? So this is now going to say rings. Up in the header, it might take a moment to, there we go. So now it says rings, and now it will only show the rings collection when we load that up, right? So basically, you can kind of organize your store in this way by creating collections under products. Create as many collections as you like. Add any products that you want to your collections, and then using the online store navigation setting, what I would actually recommend is something like this. Let's go back into the main menu, and instead of saying rings here, we're going to say products. And what we're going to do here with the products is it can go back to link to all of our products again, just like that. But I actually want to do a sub-menu item, right? So I want to do something like this, rings, and then I'll go to a collection, to the rings collection, and I'm going to add that. Now, what you need to do is take this little handle right here and drag that just so it kind of appears not, so it's a very nuancy thing. So see the little circle on the left? So if I drop it there, it will go, I'll show you how it goes, right? If I drop it there and I refresh the page, it'll be products and then rings, right? But if I go and I grab this and I drag it so that it kind of is a little bit offset, see how it's a little bit offset on the, I'm trying to point with my finger on the screen, but you guys can't see that. See how it's a little bit offset? No, you can't see where I'm pointing. But anyway, the point is it drops underneath the menu. I'm still pointing at my screen as if you guys can actually see that. But anyway, go ahead and click save there and refresh the page. And now you'll have this little pull down menu, which is very nice, especially nice in like mobile view. Right, so you have this little unfoldable thing. Actually, I think I need to save and refresh my kind of not so pretty theme just yet, because like I say, theme setup and dialing it in just right, it's a matter of what you need for your shop, and it takes a little bit of doing. But as you can see, there's the mobile view and there's the rings under that, and yeah, so that's how you set up that. The contact page, your contact page, should already have a contact form on it. So let's see, I'm going to show you over here. I'm just going to show you on pages. So there's the standard contact page, right? And yours will look something like that. Yours will actually just be called contact. Now, I have installed an app called Reamaze, which is sort of a support desk plugin app. I will do, again, maybe a whole course on differing apps that I recommend, because we could go on, for hours and hours and hours talking about different apps that I recommend. To kick things off and get things started, you should be pretty okay with a standard contact form that will let people to email you, right? They click here, they'll arrive on your page, they'll be able to email you. But if you want to make some customizations to that, just head over to the online store pages section. In here, what you'll see is the theme template is contact, but if you type something in here, what you will notice is that after a moment or two, you can add something to the top of that, right? So you might want to say, hey, thanks for contacting us. We try to respond really quick and blah, 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 whatever you want to say. You can add that right in there. You can type in your phone number, whatever you need. You can, whatever you think you need. Oh, you know what, gentlemen, ladies? I think we're set up here. This is a fully functional shop with the only thing now needed being products being added, collections to organize, and some potential tweaking of the theme or choosing a theme that you really like, right? And you can't really set up your theme too well until you have your collections created, until you have your products added, and then you can decide how you want your homepage to look. How many collections you want to show, or how you want to display your homepage, and that sort of thing. What sort of links you want to create for your product. So you're kind of at the stage now where your shop is ready to go. It's ready to take money. It's e-commerce enabled. And all you need to do is start adding products into your store and organizing them into collections. And then, yeah, like I say, configure those collections how you see fit. And I will probably do a course specifically on how to create a super duper optimized theme for your Shopify store. But like I say, the default theme is not too bad. You're not going to have too many problems if you use the default theme, but you might be able to improve things to a certain degree if you really laser in on optimizing your theme. Gentlemen, ladies, I hope you have enjoyed this course, and maybe see you in the next one. All right, have a great day.